This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in northern Chesterfield. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is located here in a gorgeous subdivision. These are approximately 1-acre lots. The home we're going to look at is almost a full acre, so we've got plenty of square footage here. This one is priced right. We are coming in just a touch over $100 a square foot. If you remember from previous videos, I've spoken about price per square foot. It's a way that we compare houses of unequal size, and so it gives you a better idea as far as value. And of course, that's going to vary by area. It's going to vary by subdivision. It's going to vary by depending on the type of house and the upgrades, quality construction, and the whole nine. But it's a good way to compare house to house as far as price per square foot. Okay, when we come in, we have a formal space here to the right. It's currently set up as an office, and I apologize, it's a little dark in there. We do have stairs going straight up. Nice 2-story foyer here in this home. Beautiful wood floors, and to the left is going to be our formal dining room. We're going to start here. I'm actually going to come in and see if we can get a little better look here. I apologize. I know we're losing our light here. It is winter time, and we are definitely challenged here when it comes to 5 o'clock. Especially today, we've got snow that's in the forecast. Actually, it's getting ready to snow right now. Here in the hallway to the left is going to be a coat closet and another powder room, actually. They continued the wood floors all the way here into the powder room, which is a really nice touch. To the right is going to be our family room. Our family room does have a gas log fireplace. There's actually surround speakers here already built into the wall. That's a nice touch, especially if you are really into nice sounding AV system, a nice sounding television, and or stereo system. Really nice floor plan here in this beautiful home. Built in 2003, I believe. We're open here to the beautiful upgraded kitchen. We've got a nice big area here for your dinette. Our kitchen includes a really good looking granite style countertop and an island. Stainless steel appliances do convey gas cooking here in this beautiful home. We're going to pop out back so I can show you this yard here really quickly. As I mentioned, this is a really good size, approximately 1-acre lot. Nice and open. You've got some wooded area there toward the back, but plenty of cleared area. I know a lot of viewers are not big fans of a lot of trees near the house, and this home definitely does not disappoint in that regard. Okay, we're going to transition here through our kitchen. I really like the look of those cabinets. It's a really nice, rich wood look. There are beautiful roses there. And on this side of the home is going to be our laundry and our garage. We have a dedicated laundry room, really good space in here, plenty of storage. We are going to show you what that goes to here as we go up to the second level. Some of you already know what it is, and some of you are confused, and that's just fine. I'll fill you in here momentarily. Our 2-car side entry garage. Here in the garage, we do have our HVAC system. This is going to be a gas furnace with central air, and we also have a gas water heater. Naturally, this home has 200 amp electrical, which is adequate. We do have a laundry sink there, which is really nice if you have dirty boots and you need to clean them off before you come into the house. The home also has a garage opener as well. This kitchen features a really, really large pantry. We've got a lot of space here in this pantry. This is probably this is about 8 feet here across, so we've got a lot of space in this pantry. Our formal dining room here, I just love this red. This is absolutely gorgeous. We've got a lot of space here in this dining room. This is actually a very, very long table, and there's still plenty of space here, as you can see, on either side and both ends. Okay, we're going to transition now upstairs and take a look at our second level. Right now, we've got some absolutely amazing loan products available. Interest rates are extremely low. There are a lot of 100% financing programs that are available. It's just really an attractive time now from a financing standpoint to qualify. Straight ahead is going to be bedroom number 1. I love these bedrooms because all of them are really, really good sized bedrooms. There are no tiny 10 by 10 bedrooms whatsoever. All of these can easily facilitate very large beds. Of course, we have our bunk bed set up there with plenty of space. Here to the left is going to be our hall bath. Nice double vanity there, plenty of space. Let's go in and take a look. We've got a fiberglass tub shower enclosure. Here on the other side of the hallway is going to be bedroom number 2. Once again, very, very good sized bedroom. You could easily get a king in here. Actually, you could get a king in any of these secondary bedrooms, which is really a nice touch. Linen closet here in the hallway. Our bonus room. Bonus room is always going to be typically over the garage in this floor plan, and this is a nice big one. This is a great place for a woman cave. You've got plenty of space in here if you wanted to have large furniture, large television. You could do it all in here with no problem and still have space left over. If you wanted to make it a workout room, easy to do that. Craft room, a really, really nice home office. All of those situations would be great. Okay, earlier I mentioned this. This is a laundry chute. Some of you have never seen a laundry chute before. We don't see too many of them. The concept is you obviously put your laundry there and it ends up miraculously downstairs in the laundry room. So you don't have to lug it up and down. Just a really neat, convenient feature. Okay, we're now in the master. We've got a really, really big master, as you can see. This is large furniture, and there's still a whole lot of space here in this master bedroom. We've got the tray ceiling fan. Directly ahead is going to be our walk-in closet, which is more than enough space. Look at this. We actually have a dedicated wall there just for shoes. That's awesome. Our master bath is right here. We have a linen closet and our double vanity. Really good space there on that double vanity. Plenty of mirror. And okay, you guys know I'm in love now. We have a jetted tub there. Plenty of space. Our stand-up shower. Okay, we've seen that before. That's our dual zone shower head. Really amazing feature. And our water closet is right here. Plenty of space in this water closet. Typically don't see them this wide. So you've got plenty of space. And you have a window. I had a young lady not too long ago that one of her requests was for her water closet. It had to have a window. So who knows? This house might be right for her. I need to give her a call and see. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. If you have friends or family that may be interested in this home, please be sure to give me a call. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I appreciate you taking the time out to take the tour with me today. Thanks so very much. We got snow coming down. Since I started, the snow has started to fall. Have a great day.